There are many ways to visualize time series data. They are line chart, bar chart, and heat map. The links are in the description below. In this video, we will learn how to create stock area chart. We will also learn how to use chart filters, why area chart is similar to line chart, and most importantly, how to analyze the chart. So stay tuned. This is our original data. This is about the number of deaths related to coronavirus or COVID-19. It has 264 rows, corresponds to 264 locations. For our data visualization, we choose only 10 countries. Our time series data starts with January 22 and ends with April 16. To make stock area chart, select a specific cell. Click the Insert tab, then go to Insert Line or Area Chart. It says that this chart type is used to show trends over time, either years, months, and days, which is perfect for time series data we have. Under 2D area, choose Stock Area Chart. What we have is an empty chart. Move it to the upper left corner. Click the area of the chart, then right-click the mouse. Click Select Data. A dialog box will emerge. Click this arrow. Go to the beginning of the data. Select the whole data including the headings as your data source. Press Enter in your keyboard. You will see the data range, the legends, and the x-axis. Click OK. Now we have the stock area chart. Enlarge the chart. If you look at the top, we are in the Chart Tools Design tab. Click this arrow and then you have 10 design to choose from. We will choose Style 8. Let's change the title. Go to Home tab to change the font color. Our chart doesn't have any legend. Click the area of the chart. Under Chart Tools, go to Design tab. Click Add Chart Element. Go to Legend. It shows 5 options including None, meaning no legend at all. Place the legend at the right side, top, left, or bottom. We choose bottom. Enlarge the chart. Now it looks better. Stock area chart is almost similar to line chart. To illustrate this, we will create stock line chart. Right-click the mouse and click Select Data. The data range will be the same as what we did before. Here is the line chart. We will change the design and resize the chart. As you observe, both charts are similar. The difference is that area chart has shaded color between lines. Let's delete the line chart. The entire chart shows the total of all the data plotted. Let's go back to April 16 data. The total of April 16 data is 264,817. The top of the area chart also illustrates the same total. The good thing is that area chart shows how each data series or country contributed to the total value. Based on our chart, the total value in April 16 is largely contributed by USA. Now it's time to analyze the chart. Click the chart area, then click the chart filters. We will filter the chart through categories, which are the dates. Delete the check mark on the box of Select All. Select only dates from January 22 up to February 29. Click Apply. The data shows that the number of deaths on selected time periods is largely composed of China, where the coronavirus outbreak reportedly started. It has similar message if we look at our data. Let's see how the chart looks like if we filter the chart from March 1 to 19. The chart shows that the number of deaths of other countries started to increase rapidly. The total value of deaths are now largely composed of Italy. It is closely followed by China, where its values is now flattened. Iran is on the third rank. Now, how about filtering the data from March 16 up to March 31? Will there be any changes? As of March 31, Italy is still on the first rank, but this time it is followed by Spain, then France. Filtering the data from April 1 up to April 16 will show us a very different scenario. In these periods, total number of deaths is now largely composed by USA, followed by Italy and then Spain. That's it. This is our very attractive and informative stock area chart using Excel. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more updates. To know more about time series data visualization, click these end screens. Thanks for watching.